Welcome to my channel and welcome to another vlog. Today is 18th or 19th July and the time right now is actually around 11 a.m. and here's Louis. So we are taking Louis for like a little drive and then we are going to be going to IKEA. I don't really have like a specific anyway, so we are going to IKEA today. We don't really have like a purpose or we have to buy something pakka types, but we are going to check things out and there's also like a discount. So if I like something, then of course I'm going to buy. And we are also be going for lunch today. So yeah, let's go. We are taking Louis for a ride, as I've already mentioned. After that, we are going to leave him at home and go out. So we took some snacks on the way. So we have some samosas, some puffs and something. This guy got something. Ta-da! I really want to take this plant, but it's really expensive, so I'm not really sure. But it's pretty though. I always wanted to have this plant, to be honest. I'm obsessed with this kitchen. Like, look how pretty it is. Hi guys, so I'm done shopping and we are in the car. So I got this and there's a bag right here. So we have like these two big bags. I'll show you like a haul in a minute, but I'm not able to place my phone there. So maybe we'll do one after going home only. It's gone. So right now we are heading to our house. So I'll see you later. Hi guys, I really hope like the angle is not very weird. So coming to the first one is actually this box. So these are the glasses which I got. I don't know why don't they show properly on the camera, but they're actually super cute, pink in color. I got 4 of them, one of which actually retails for 125 rupees, but I think there was an offer and I got them for 99 rupees if I'm not wrong. So I got like 3. Ow! So I got 3 and one more 4. So I got 4 of these glasses. And then I got this super cute cup. I believe it was for 149 rupees. It is so cute. I can totally drink my coffee in it. And I got another big cup. This is how it looks like. If you know me for a while, you know how much I'm obsessed with cups. And yeah, this is another one. I'm not really sure how much I got it for, but it was definitely under 200 rupees. I'm thinking I'm not even sure about that. So those are the things which we have in this. I had no intentions of shopping today, but I just liked a few things and I picked them. Just like it is not like a super huge haul. I just got a few things. So the next thing I got, all of these are like super random, is this one. Louis always tears everything that is in front of him, so I wanted to pick this so that, you know, rather than picking every piece, you know, you can take this and sweep everything into this. And then I got so these were the bags. So these are like these Ziploc bags. They were like a set of 50 and this was for 349 rupees. There was no discount on this one, and this one was for 209 rupees, but I think I got a discount on that one. I'm not even finding my bill. I think I already lost my bill, so I'll just say the prices which are on this. This one was for 209 rupees, and this one I remember there was no discount on it. This were again a set of 50, and this was for 349 rupees. And then I got this for my mom to, you know, clean the kitchen properly, and this was for surely 99 rupees if I'm not wrong. I just got like small things here and there. And then I got the set of these forks and spoons and knives because they were so colorful, and you can see properly they are all these pastel colors and they look super cute to me. And then I got this mirror, like this mirror, so that I can see my face properly when I'm making a video or when I'm getting ready and stuff. And then I got this was for 559 rupees. And then I got these are like ice trays. They were in fish shape and they were so super cute, so I couldn't stop myself from getting these. This was for, I think this was for again somewhere below 200 rupees only. And then I got a lint remover with these. So basically you get a set of 4 sheets. Again, I don't think these both were on any discount. This is for 139 rupees and this was for 279 rupees. They are like a set of 4. You know, if you guys know, you know that we have like a golden retriever and he sheds a lot. So a lint remover is a must for us. So yeah, that is my little mini IKEA haul. So these are, yeah, my camera fell. I literally kept it here on this one without anything. And if you can see, it's raining outside. My friend went out to get us some cookies, I'm supposing, and there was also Starbucks. I was so tempted, but again, I already drank cold coffee yesterday, so I just couldn't drink it today. Anyways, so yeah, these are all the things which I got. It's raining and I hate rains. I know it's an unpopular opinion, but I hate rains. These are actually for kids, you know, if you can see. These things are actually for kids, but you know, I still consider myself as a kid, so that's all right. So yeah, these are all the things that we got, and it's raining. We actually had other plans, but my friend has some work to do. So we have some ice cream. So this is chocolate chip and dark chocolate mix. So yeah, enjoying the rain. Good morning. So it's 19 July today, and the time right now, as you can see, is 9:39 a.m. and we all came for a little ride. My friend went to get some coffee. So yeah, we are waiting here, and we came out to take Louis out for a walk because my friend is leaving tomorrow. And yeah. Louis, bye. Bye, Louis. Bye. 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 Come. चलो Louis, चलो. Louis, come. Good boy. Good boy, Louis. Hi guys, so right now we are going to college and on the way we bought a few things. So let me show you like an unasked for haul. We got like 5 things. First, I got lace because I was craving for lace for a while now. Then I got cheese crackers, but it was in some different sugar coconut flavor. It is like this. I've never ever tried them out, so I really wanted to try them out. And then we have like a car freshener for my car because there's no car freshener in it. And then we have a cake, I'm supposing. So this is called as Bowley Moonflies orange. This is how it looks like. And then we have a Gone Mad. I love Gone Mad. So it was a new thing. It's their premium dark chocolate chips. So this is how it looks like. We got this. And then we have cheese crackers, like the authentic original cheese crackers, the same one, sugar cheese crackers. And then we have some Twix. I love Twix. Twix has to be one of my most favorite chocolates ever. And then we have 2 Orbits which I dropped. And then we have a huge ass water bottle. Okay, bye. I'll see you in a while. Almost everything is broken in this, but let's try it. It's not that great, to be honest. I didn't really love it. It's average, pretty average. Okay, bye. So we came out for lunch and here is some chili chicken and some biryani. This is a place near our college, so we are having some lunch. Hi guys, so we are in the car and we came here to have dinner. So we came to this place called as Shalimar Tiffins and Snacks, I think. So we saw an Instagram page talking about them, and we heard a lot about the tawa burger, but we were already too late, so we didn't really find it. So wait, let me show you what we ordered. So guys, this is the tandoori puff, and this is a tawa sandwich. So basically, in place of the burger bun, they made it using the regular bread because the bun was over. The shop is closing at 10 o'clock and we came here at 9:45, so we couldn't do anything but try it out. So let's taste them and see the hype behind this place. So guys, let's try the tandoori puff first. So it has a lot of cheese and vegetables in it, if you can see, and it basically looks like a pizza and pizza and puff ka hybrid. To be honest, it also tastes like that, you know. The outer layer is obviously puff, but inside so it's like a pizza layer. It is good, but not extremely great. It's like a hybrid and a new product, that's it. But it's good. I would rate it a 3 out of 5. And now I'm actually very excited to try this one out. So let's see. Oh, if you can see, they have like a lot of cheese inside it. It is actually nice, but it is a little too cheesy. I'm not really like a super huge fan of cheese, so maybe that's why. But if you're a cheese lover, you're going to love it, I think. It's nice. I would rate it a 4 out of 5. Okay, see you after dinner. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. So it's 20th July today and the time right now is actually 8:17 a.m. So we came out to have some breakfast. Here is Louis. So yeah, we are going to be having some breakfast. I know this week has been like so super unhealthy to me, but I promise from tomorrow we are going to eat healthy. We are not going to go out because my friend is also leaving, so we are going to be staying at home only. We are not going to be staying at home, actually. I have a lot of things this week, a lot of things to do this week, but yeah, we are going to try and stay healthy. So yeah, I'm having some butter cream dosa, cheese cream dosa, something like that. I forgot the name. I'll show you when it comes, and I love it at this place. So we came to this place called as Nani Tiffins, and the dosa here is like so good. Like dosa is my favorite breakfast, and yeah, can't wait to have it. Hi guys, so we came to have breakfast to this place with Louis, and look, there's another dog there. How cute! Like look at them, they both are looking at each other. So cute. Here is my cheese cream. I'm guessing again dosa, and it looks so good. It smells so good, and I even love the chutney here. We have some tawa bhaji or tawa bona, whatever you wanna call it. Then we have some cheese cream dosa. That is my favorite. It tastes delicious. And here we have some vada, I think. Looking so good. And we also have some tandoori chai. Looks good. Never tasted it, but it really looks good actually. And yeah, my nails are worse. They have been breaking, and yeah, today I got to paint my nails and also cook some food. So let's go. We have a lake view. Like we can think it like a lake view. Hi guys, so today is 16th July and the time right now is actually around 2 p.m. We are actually going for lunch. So we stopped by a supermarket and we bought a few magic drops. Like in case you don't already know, they actually pop in your mouth and are so super fun. We got 4 of them, out of which one is already completed. This is the strawberry one. Then we have a lemon one, and then we have a grape one, and then we have like a Coca-Cola flavor. So they are so nice. Like we enjoy it so much. And now we are going out for lunch. We actually had an exam at our college and it's done, and I'm craving for some mandi again. So we are going to be going there. And these are like so super fun. In case you want to try it out, and if you haven't already, you totally should. Yeah, see you in a while. And here's our GFC. We came to Jismat again. And here's our Monday.